Hi, what's up Chainlink holders? So this is live price prediction of Chainlink coin, and what's the latest update of Chainlink? Everything I will discuss you, my brother. I will research very highly today now, especially for Chainlink new holders now. So kindly you will need to watch this video completely, and if you miss this video, so I hope you will be lost. You cannot get a profit. So kindly I am 100% sure you will watch my full video to understand better now. Let's start the brand video, but kindly if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. Chainlink, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, absolutely moving in normal speed, not moving very fastly up, not moving very badly downs now. So therefore, I note, my brother, a few mistakes of a holders today are doing in those days. The first mistake, absolutely this, my brother, today or my friends take a decision in wrong time. Alright, so I will discuss you in upcoming time, my brother. So it's a sorry in this video, but especially my friend in the middle of video. Two, which time is good for investment, which time is good for holding, which time is good for selling now. So kindly you will need to watch this video completely. I hope my brother you will watch my full video, because this video is going to be, I think, something very long, but this is very important now for all of you. So the second mistake my friends the holders are doing today are, my brothers, cannot see my friends a chart, the chart technical analysis, price prediction videos, and absolutely they will take a decision. So therefore this is very bad mistake. Kindly don't do this. All right, research personally and after that take a decision. This is my personal opinion for all of you. I hope you will be like now. All right, channeling holder, the third mistake of a holders, so they are doing very fastly and very highly, my brother. And the third mistake is that, my brothers, today they cannot see, my brothers, to what they do in upcoming time. Absolutely everybody knows, especially experts, my brother, they are do technical analysis, and after that, my friends, they will share opinion. Two, in upcoming time, this coin, there is a chance so they will collaborate a lot of companies. So absolutely they will, they will collaborate with companies, so the coin will chance so they will move upward. So definitely you will need to research about that. All right, so this is the major mistake of holders. So kindly don't do these mistakes, and absolutely you will be get a profit in every day, every time, my brother. And this time absolutely the Chainlink price prediction is very simple now. In upcoming time there is 100% chance to the price will increasing, because after a very long bet fall, absolutely this coin will get a profit. So I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.